Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. So guys, welcome back. Let's get started. Your first step would be to make sure you have a Shopify account. So simply log on to your account. From here, simply move over to where we have content. So click on content here and it's going to open up the content menu. And all you need to do is select menus on this particular tab and then click on main menu. So when you click on main menu, you can find your main menu looking like this. A representation of it is, this is what it's going to look like. This is your main menu, and this is it with a drop down. Now, what I'm going to do here is close this and show you how you can create that drop down. Simply click on add menu item and then give it a name. So you could just call it something as simple as, and then simply link it to customer accounts like profile, orders, products. If you have some products to showcase or collections, I'm going to be going with some collections here. And let me add this. And then you can go about adding more. All right. And then I'm going to proceed and link it again to another of my collection, which would be this. And now we have two collections ready. So all you need to do with these collections, just go ahead and click on save here, save it. And once you're done saving it, just hover above this drag and drop feature. So you can use this drag and drop feature to simply include a menu or a list to kind of like create a drop down. This is what it will look like when you hover above it. Let's move this over to catalog. All right, this is what it looks like. And then we can drag men's clothing and add it here as well. And now we have two drop down menus. And now all you need to do to be able to access this or see what it looks like is head over to your online store. Don't forget to save, click on save, and then click on online store. Once it opens, go ahead and click on view your store. And if you head over to catalog, you kind of get to see your products in all their glory. All right, guys, that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.